Hello everyone. In this video, I'll teach you how to upload question paper on NTAB server. It's a school management system. So you know that questions in different subject question papers are different and their formatting is also totally different from one another. For example, in English, there are fill in the blanks, one word or paragraph or unseen passages, this type of formats. On the other hand, in mathematics, there are equations, there are some diagrams or figures. In science also, there are a number of figures. In geography or social science, different type of diagrams or different type of maps are required. So I have chosen many different type of question with different formatting and settings. So I'm trying to give you the different type of question. How will you upload? There are many methods to upload in the NTAB server. So here you see one by one all the methods, and wherever you feel that this method is suitable for your question paper, for your formatting, you follow that. See here.
So here is some preparation before you want to make the question paper on NTAB server. So before you start making question paper, what you have to do, you need to understand very carefully. Here I have already done. In this folder, I have made some questions. See, this is the question paper that I want to make on NTAB server. Some questions I have written in this MS Word file and some MCQ questions I have written in this question bank. This is Excel file, this is MS Word file. And even after that, I have some images. For example, this question number 4, question number 6 and question number 7 are in the form of images. Here I have one map in question number 7. In question number 6, there is a diagram from science. And in question number 4, there is again a diagram from mathematics. And this eighth question is of Hindi. So one by one, let me show you what I have written in MS Word file. This is simple question paper that you want to make. So first of all, write or do typing in MS Word. I'm doing it for you. See, this typing work I have already done. See, let it open. So here is that file. Here question number 1, 2, 3. All these questions I have already typed. And one by one I will upload these questions on NTAB server using question bank. So these questions, in this way, any number of questions you can make. I have taken different type of questions. Some are from social science, some are from science, some are from mathematics, some are from English, some are from Hindi also. In this way, I have taken different questions. This is Hindi question that I have already taken. This is one image in MS Paint. So you can edit also in MS Paint or in any other photo editor. This is a map. So for social science question, I have taken this. And in this question bank, I have taken some MCQ. So I'm going to insert all these questions in my video with the help of Excel file, with the help of image file, with the help of MS Word. So here are the questions. This is the question. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 questions are there in this C column, and in this question there are all the questions are of 1 marks and all are of low level. And here option answers are also given. 4 options are given for every question and 1 right answer is also. So here one option number 1, 2, 3, 4, and answers for each and every question is this. For first question, first part is the right answer. For second question, second part is the right answer. For third question, third part is the right answer. And fourth part is the. All these questions are MCQ. So continue watching this. I will do it step by step. To start uploading your questions to the NTAB server, first of all open Google Chrome. In this, you write www.opjmscampuscare.in. This is the URL. Press enter. It will be opened shortly. After that, whatever the ID and password given to you by school, you will insert that ID and password for login purpose. Just wait, let it open. Click here to proceed. Now here you will enter your ID. I'm entering my ID. You will enter your own ID. Ravinder Bajaj, and my password is, you are already given your password, so you enter your ID and password, and whatever you will see will be according to your subject and class. So I will see only the class that I am teaching. You will see according to the ID, you will see whatever the class or section you are teaching. So after this, click on applications. Click here on application. So here many modules will come. These modules you have already seen. One new module is added by the NTAB company. So see, this is School Online. This module is new for us. So click on this School Online. And here you will see the option Question Bank. In this question bank, one by one I will explain you how to make the question bank. So this is Question Bank Master, in which you will insert the question one by one. Later on we will generate the question paper, and once we have generated the question paper, we will set the display settings. So according to these settings, it will go to students on the date and time particular. And if you want to preview this question, you will click on set preview. So here I am clicking on question paper Question Bank Master. See carefully 10C and 10J. If I am teaching these sections, only these two sections are visible to me. In your case, whatever the section you are teaching, those sections will be visible to you. I want to insert new question. So click on the new button. After this subject, you will see your subject here. It's not option that you can see every subject. I'm teaching mathematics in class 10C and 10J. So mathematics I'm selecting here, and in the topic I'm writing short answer type question. So here the first method is type your question here, or if you don't want to type, then simply you go to MS Word. Here you have already typed the question. Select the first question. This is one word or one sentence answer. Copy and go back to the End tab. Here click on this paste button. Here press Ctrl V. Your question will appear here, and press OK. See, this question has already come. In place of this, you can simply type the question here. That is also one correct. And I am trying to make this question paper for 10J. One question I have inserted, only first question, and level, because it is one word or one sentence short answer type question. So I'll say descriptive. It's not objective type. Now it's of marks 1. Once you have inserted all these things, now press on save button. Now wait for the message that saved successfully. If this message is not coming saved successfully, it means it is not saved and you have done some mistake. So one question is ready for us. If you want to display, select from here. Mathematics, display. Class 10J, display here. See, the one question that we have inserted has already come. What happened to the rain suddenly? This is one question added. Now I will add second question for you. Now I'm going to upload one more question for you. This is the screen after login. Click on applications. This step we have done in the previous upload also, online school, question bank master. Now in this one I want to insert one more question, second question. Click on new question button, subject, mathematics, topic, again short answer type. Now this is again for class 10J. Here again I'm telling you, you can type the question, or you have already typed the question in MS Word. Select, this is second question, Control C for copy. Go back to the entire window, click on the paste button. Here you press Control V. Press OK. This question has come here. Now this is again descriptive question of marks 2. So all the fields are filled. Press save button. A message will appear, saved successfully. So your second question is also saved. Now I will upload some MCQ questions. After login, click on School Online. Question bank master. Here you press new, subject, mathematics, topic, MCQ. For 10J, here you can import the Excel file. You have already seen that I have created Excel file. In this Excel file, 4 questions are already there. I have already shown you. Now click on import. Select this Excel file. Press open. Yes, I want to continue. So these 4 questions that I have already shown you in Excel file, save import. Press on the save import button. The Excel sheet is already imported. Now if you want to see how many questions are already inserted, let's see. Subject, mathematics, class 10J, display. See, 2 questions we have already inserted in descriptive manner. One was 1 mark question, one was 2 mark question, and 4 questions are taken from that Excel file which you typed earlier and imported in this server. So total 6 questions are there. 4 are of MCQ type, 2 are short answer type. I will insert more questions for you. Continue watching. Now here is one more method to create MCQ questions. See this 7th question. I have not written this 7th question in that Excel file, because in Excel file these 3, 4, 5, 6, these 4 questions were there, but this 7th question itself is having 4 options, and out of these 4 options, these are the 4 different type of answers, out of which answer I have written this D. The D part is correct. So how to write this type of question, let me tell you. After login, you are here, School Online, question bank master. Press new. This new question, subject is mathematics, topic is again MCQ. Here I am writing the question. Question you can type or you can copy from here. I am copying this question. Control C, copy, and then press this paste button. Here you control V, press OK. So question has come. This is for 10J. Now we have to insert 4 options also. Here I am writing, this is a low level question where option answers are, first one is 1 and 4. Here I am writing 1 and 4. Again there is second option, press enter here for second option. Second option is 1 and 3. I'm writing here 1 and 3. Press enter for next option. Again next option is 2 only. Here it is 2 only. Now press enter, and for the fourth option, again see where is the fourth option. You can write on a paper if you don't want to switch between the windows. Second and fourth. Here it is second and fourth. Now out of which D is the right answer, so here I am pressing D. Yes, fourth one is the right answer. After this, it is of 1 mark question. Press on save button. Here a message will display saved successfully. It means your MCQ question is also saved. Now 4 questions we have taken from Excel file with the help of import button, and 1 question we have manually inserted, which is again MCQ question. Now wait for more question. I'm inserting one by one. Now I'll show you how to insert a question in which diagram is there, and that is also a MCQ question. See, press here new. I want to insert new question, and the subject is mathematics. Topic is again MCQ. But in this MCQ question, I'm inserting image, because this question is, see, let me show you the question. This mathematics question I want to insert, drawing this diagram, giving option in which square is there, some equations are there, etc. It is difficult, so I have already created one image for this. I have already shown you that this is the image that is already created for you. I will insert this image as a question, and for option I'll give A, B, C, D. Let me insert this image for you. Here you will click on this camera. See, this camera button is there. Once you will click it, it will come here. Choose file. From this choose file, a dialog box will appear. I want to choose this question number 4. Open. And as an answer, I want to make it a low level or medium level. 4 options are, first is A, second is B, third is C, and fourth is D. After writing this, you have to choose the right answer. So here in this question, C is the right answer. A, B, C, D, these 4 options are already seen in the question. Answer C is correct. So I am choosing this answer C as yes. This is right answer. It is a 1 mark question. Now you will press save button. Save. Let it appear saved successfully. Wait for that. So one more question is inserted in which one image was there, and that this question was also MCQ. Now I will insert one more descriptive question for you. Here it is a paragraph and followed by some questions. This question I am going to insert. Go to and tab module school online. Click on question bank master. Here you click on new button for new question. Select class subject first. Then class is obviously 10J. I'm making question paper for 10J, and topic is unseen passage. And here you want to write that paragraph, so better is you copy it where you have already typed this question. You copy this, Control C, and then you paste it here, Control V, press OK. After this question will appear here, and now select the level. It is descriptive question and it is of say 8 marks, 2 marks each part. Once you will fill all these options, now click on save button. A message has come, saved successfully. So let's see how many questions we have inserted in this question paper. Subject maths, class 10J, display. See, this question is the paragraph that we have just now inserted. Before that there was one MCQ question in which image was there. Now after this again MCQ question is there. These 4 MCQ questions. Now these are 2 short answer type questions. So here 2 short answer type question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 MCQ questions are there, in which 4 questions we have taken from Excel. 2 questions we have taken, one is with a detailed and one is with the image, and third one is again one descriptive question in which unseen paragraph is there. I'm taking more questions. Continue watching this video. Now I will insert one more question. It's a science question in which diagram is there and it is descriptive question. So see, I have already created image of it with the help of MS Paint by copying it with the help of Alt Print Screen Message. See, this is the file. This is the image that I have already created. This image question I will use. I'm doing it for you. See, after login, press school online. Question bank master. New question, subject, select your subject. It is long answer type. Here I want to insert one image of the question, so press on this button, choose a file. In this one, this question should appear. Open. This is for class 10J. Level is descriptive. Marks are say 6. Different parts are there, so every part is of 2 marks. Click on the save button. saved successfully. This message has come. It means this question is also inserted. Now I'm going to insert one more question. This is the last question, in which text is there and image is also there. So two things are there, text and image both are there. What I have done, I have already taken image. This is the image that I want to insert, and text I will take from the MS Word only. See, text is written here and separate image is also taken as image file. Both I'll insert within one question. So see carefully what I'm doing. Again, click on School Online. Question Bank, Question Bank Master. Press New. Subject, choose your subject from here. Here you explain the map. Here I am writing, so I have to write something. Obviously you copy it from MS Word. This text I want, 6 option I want to see on the map. I have selected this as a question. Press paste here, Control V. Okay, now this question has come. After this, what I want one image also. After the last option, I have pressed enter for the blank line. Click on this button here, insert that image where we have that map, India map. Open. This map is also inserted. This is for class 10J. Level is again descriptive. There are 6 options, so 1 marks each. There are 6 marks for the complete question. Press save. So image as well as text both will appear within one question, saved successfully. So this question is also ready. Let's see how many total questions are ready with us in the question bank. So this is the question bank for 10J. Display. Here is the question bank. There is one question with one image. Here only one image is there. Here the unseen passage is there. In this way all these questions are inserted in the question bank. Now how to see how to generate the question paper. Now after inserting all the questions in the question bank that you want to see in the question paper, we need to generate the question paper. Click on School Online. Then click on Question Bank. Here question paper generation. In this question paper generation, you create a new question paper. Say this is set 1 and the subject, it is appearing maths only for me. For you it will appear different subject. What type of question? It is a test paper. See, this is 10J, and after this many things are appearing here. This explain the map, it is a descriptive question. I want one question of this type. Long answer type is again I want one question of this type. MCQ, I need 4 MCQs I want. You can change it later also. Short answer type and unseen passage also. One question I need of this type and one question I need of this type. Generate and review. Now here all the questions are there. If you want to change or increase the number of questions, I want 3 more questions. I want all the questions that I have written in my question paper. You can remove or you can give all the questions, it is up to you. So once you have selected the questions that you want in the question paper, after that press on the submit changes button. So once you have pressed submit changes, press save. It will say saved successfully. Saved successfully has come. It means your question paper is ready. If you preview the question paper, then set preview. Click on this set preview. Say class. So I have made a question paper of class 10J. It is showing me class 10th. So it is not only for 10J, it is for complete 10th class. And subject mathematics set. If you have created many sets, then any one set you will choose. But here we have created only one set. So one set will appear. Preview here. So here is your question paper ready with you. All these questions that we have made with diagram, without diagram, with map, MCQ, objective type questions, all these things are appearing here. This preview is for the teacher. These answers are also coming. For students preview, answers will not be appearing. So in this way you can create question paper and insert questions one by one and finally generate the question paper.
Now, on the basis of this video, you create your question paper, and after that you will upload that question paper. Now later on, how that question paper will appear for the students and how the students will send you the answer sheet, this training I'll give you in my next video. Thank you.